Well, a very good evening to you. There are a few thunderstorms this morning over Lincolnshire and Kent, but they're now gone out of the way. They're all connected to this black area of cloud which is running down through the North Sea. It was associated with this weather system here, which is now no longer our concern. It's fading away into the continent. Instead, we've got this run of showery westerly winds, and they're going to be with us for the next 36 hours or so. Now on the radar, starting at 3 o'clock this afternoon, we can see how the showers have developed once again as the day has gone along. Quite a number, in fact, now over northwestern parts of England, and a few running down through the Midlands as well, but not too many on the eastern side of England, and just one or two scattered about in eastern Scotland, but a fair number of showers still to come throughout this evening and tonight. In fact, some lengthier spells of rain likely to turn up over Northern Ireland and the west of Scotland as the night goes along. Now, with fairly clear skies elsewhere, it'll be a fairly chilly night, certainly after the last couple, maybe down to 8 or 9 in some eastern parts of England, where you stay fairly clear. Tomorrow morning then, for many central and eastern parts, it'll be a fairly bright start. There'll be some sunshine around. A lot of showers, though, in the west and over Scotland as well. Still some heavy ones, too. And as we go through towards the middle of the day, those showers becoming rather more widespread, even in the south, but still a good chance on the eastern side of England of staying dry altogether. In any event, later in the day, probably the showers fading away once again down in the south. Temperatures tomorrow, well, on the cool side with the wind being fairly fresh, 19, 66 being about the top. That's it. Bye for now.